Hello, good morning. Yeah, today I'm going to teach you Unit 15, Recreation and Entertainment. Okay, so when you see the title of the lesson like this, I think that it's very difficult words and it's have quite similar meaning. We mean này phạm phải nhé. ហើយដូច្នេះហើយចូលបងអូនគិតមើលថាតើ recreation ហ្នឹងវាមានន័យថាម៉េចហើយ entertainment វាមានន័យថាម៉េចជាការពិតចាកាលណាយើងមើលឃើញនេះយើងមើលឃើញសកម្មភាពហ្នឹងទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺប្រកាសជាឆ្លុះបញ្ចាំងពីចំណងជើងហើយយើងមើលគេ this one this one this one តើវាចំណងជើងយើងហ្នឹងវាយើងប្រែថាម៉េចឥឡូវយើងមកមើលនេះតែម្ដងយ៉ាយើងអានទាំងអស់គ្នាណា exercise go dancing go jogging go rollerblading go swimming go to a ball game go to a concert go to a museum go to the park go to the zoo okay and ជាមកមើលតទៀតមកនេះសកម្មភាព listen to music play baseball play basketball play golf play soccer play tennis see a movie see a play watch TV ឃើញទេជាសកម្មភាពសិតតែជាសកម្មភាពកំសាន្តសប្បាយទាំងអស់មែនទេដែលអញ្ចឹង recreation ហើយនិង entertainment ហ្នឹងគឺតកតងទៅនឹងសកម្មភាពដែលយើងកំសាន្តសប្បាយបន្ទាប់ពីយើងបានអានហើយយើងមើលពាក្យ recreation មានន័យថាការកំសាន្តសប្បាយតែយើងត្រូវធ្វើសកម្មភាពដោយខ្លួនយើងឧទាហរណ៍ថាបងចង់កំសាន្តកំហែអារម្មណ៍អីចឹងទៅយើងទៅលេងនៅនេះទៅលេងនៅនោះយើងដើរលេងយើងរត់លេងអីចឹង walking running ឬក៏ exercising ឬក៏ dancing អាហ្នឹងយើងហៅ recreation ហើយយើងលេងផ្ទាល់ដល់ពេល entertainment កំសាន្តដែរក៏ប៉ុន្តែយើងមើលគេតែយើងមើលទៅមើលគេលេងទាត់បាល់យើងមើលពីរឿងចិនវាយគ្នាមើលថៃមើលកូរ៉េអញ្ចឹងណាយើងអត់មានសកម្មភាពអី you do nothing but you can enjoy by watching តែយើងអាចមានអារម្មណ៍សប្បាយរីករាយដោយការមើលកំសាន្តហ្នឹងហើយយើងប្រើពាក្យ entertainment I hope that you understand the difference between the two words Okay, now let us try to define the word. To define មានន័យថាផ្ដល់ជំន័យឬក៏ជំន័យពាក្យយើងមើលពាក្យមួយនេះវាមានន័យថាម៉េច exercise យើងមើលរូបភាពមើលបង exercise គាត់កាន់ស្អីលើកទម្ងន់ណាអញ្ចឹងហាត់ប្រាណdo exercise មានន័យផ្សេងណាមានន័យថាធ្វើលំហាត់វិញ do exercise ធ្វើលំហាត់ដល់ exercise ហាត់ប្រាណgo dancing រាំលេង go jogging នេះរត់របៀបដូចយើងរត់អីហើយរត់ត្រឹកហ្នឹងណាយើងមើលរូបភាពមើលបងណាមិនមែនរត់វឹងដូចយើងនេះទេរត់ត្រឹកវាផាត់ប្រាណហ្នឹងយើងហៅ go jogging go rollerblading គឺជិះស្គីយ៉ាជិះស្គី go rollerblading go swimming យើងមើលហែលទឹកលេងgo to a ball game គឺលេងបាល់ដែលលេងជប់បាល់នៅសាលាទេបងប្អូនភាគច្រើនគឺយើងលេងនៅនេះនៅសាលានៅអីចឹងណាចាតែប្រុសតែស្រីឃើញចូលចិត្តលេង ball game ហ្នឹងយ៉ា and go to a concert go to a museum go to the park go to the zoo អូខេយើងមើលទៅមើលគេលេងតន្ត្រីទៅមើលទៅលេងសារមន្ទីរ go to a museum ហ្នឹងទៅសារមន្ទីរ go to the park មានន័យថាទៅលេងសួន go to the zoo គឺទៅលេងសួនសត្វណា zoo អូខេឥឡូវជឿចាក់ឲ្យស្ដាប់បន្តិចរបៀបអានដំបូងឡើយគឺយើងធ្វើម៉េចអានឲ្យត្រូវសិនអូនៅទៀតណានៅនេះទៀតសិនណាយ៉ាដូចប្រែមិនដល់អស់ផងហ្នឹងហើយប្រែអស់សិនណាឥឡូវយើងមើលមកក្រោមទៀតយើងមើលទី11នេះ listen to music គឺស្ដាប់តន្ត្រី យើងមើលសាក់ពាក្យយើងធ្លាប់រៀនហើយប៉ុន្តែគេដាក់ម្ដងទៀតឲ្យយើងឃើញញយដើម្បីឲ្យវាចាំស្ទាត់ហើយចេះប្រើបានអញ្ចឹងណាដើម្បីឲ្យចាំស្ទាត់ហើយចេះប្រើយើងមើល listen to music play baseball play basketball play golf play soccer play tennis see a movie see a play watch TV យើងមើល listen to music គឺមានន័យថាស្ដាប់តន្ត្រីហើយ play baseball នេះគឺមានន័យថាលេង baseball play basketball គឺលេង basketball អាបាល់បោះហ្នឹង baseball គឺដែលមើល baseball ហ្នឹងបងគេហៅខ្មែរយើងតែ baseball ដែរយើងគប់បាល់យ៉ាហើយមានអ្នកវាយចាំវាយយ៉ាគប់មកមានអ្នកចាំវាយយើងហៅ baseball យើងមើលនេះទី12ទី12យ៉ាបងគប់មកមានអ្នកកាន់ដបងឈើនេះចាំវាយយ៉ាហើយនេះគេហៅ basketball yeah good exercise ដែរ and play golf នេះយើងអាន golf នេះ play golf លេង goal play soccer ណាគេ play tennis លេង tennis see a movie គឺយើងលេងមើល movie see a play នេះយើងមើលគេលេង play ណាការសម្ដែង watch TV គឺយើងមើលគេលេងមើលទូរទស្សន៍ណាហើយអូខេឥឡូវយើងជឿចាក់ឲ្យស្ដាប់បន្តិចដើម្បីទៀងទាត់ការអានហើយយើងនឹងព្យាយាមបង្កើតជាប្រយោគអូខេពាក្យច្រើនជឿឲ្យអាសាអានឲ្យចាំល្អ
Recreation and entertainment pages 202 and 203 vocabulary preview listen and practice the words
exercise go dancing go jogging go rollerblading go swimming go to a ball game go to a concert go to a museum go to the park go to the zoo listen to music play baseball play basketball play golf play soccer play tennis see a movie see a play watch TV
okay so we finished I hope that you are all right with reading so try to pronounce in a correct way ដូចជាបានប្រាប់អញ្ចឹងគឺធ្វើម៉េចព្យាយាមអានឲ្យបានត្រូវហើយកុំអានរៀងសើករៀង slow ពេកដាក់ឲ្យម៉ាត់អញ្ចឹងមក yeah okay so the question is do you exercise every day or I don't exercise every day but I usually exercise on the weekend on Sunday and on Saturday and Sunday okay and go dancing do you know how to dance let's go dancing at the club okay do you know how to dance let's go dancing at the club do you go jogging along the riverside every day do you go jogging in front of the Royal Palace going jogging is a kind of good exercise yeah and go rollerblading yeah and, to be honest I never go rollerblading go swimming I like swimming I go swimming in my free time yeah I like swimming I usually go swimming in my free time Go to a ball game. When I was at the primary school, I sometimes went to a ball game at my school campus and play with my friend. You know, it was fun. It was a fun, or it we had a lot of fun together by playing this kind of game. And go to a concert. Go to a concert. I went to a concert during water festival, or I went to a concert at the my neighbor wedding. Go to a museum. You know the word museum. We have national museum to contain old object from the past. You have Sramti. Yeah, right. Go to a museum. Um, did you ever go to national museum? Yeah, go to the park. I often go to Botombatai Park in the evening. Go to the zoo. I I have been to Tamau Mountain Zoo for many times. Okay, I have been to Tamau Mountain Zoo many times. Or I went to Tamau Mountain Zoo last year. Okay, I hope that you are all right with this. And you know, verb phrases are very important. You have to try your best to try to use them. Without using them, of course, you will forget. Believe me. So try to use those words every day, because those are everyday use of the word, and it is very necessary for you. And it can also help you sing in English. For example, people on គឺថាដូចចង់ស្ដាប់តន្ត្រីហ្នឹងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងយើងនៅនឹកឃើញគ្នាហ្មងតន្ត្រីអង់គ្លេសថា listen to music អូខ្ញុំអត់ដែលលេង goal សោះណាយើងនឹកឃើញអង់គ្លេស oh I never play goal អីចឹង so when you learn a lot of phrases, it will help you to think in English too. So believe me, and try to practice, make a lot of sentence. And I will keep this for your homework. Yes, it's a bit easy, but of course we have to do every day. And lesson one, I like to play soccer. Okay, listen. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to play soccer chơiចូលចិត្តបន្តិចសន្តានាបន្តិចៗចឹងបង What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Okay. យើងមើលវាមាន clear ពីរ What do you like to do មួយហើយនឹង in your free time មួយក្នុងពេលទំនេររបស់អ្នកបើរបស់នាងយើងនៅ in her free time ចឹងទៅ in his free time ចឹងទៅ in their free time. So you can change to many different phrases ហើយមានន័យផ្សេងគ្នាកន្លែងអាលើក៏ដូចគ្នា What do you like to do តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តធ្វើអ្វីបើយើងចង់សួរថាតើពួកគេចូលចិត្តធ្វើអី What do they like to do? Okay, what do they like to do, or what does he like to do, or what does he like to do, what does it like to do? Okay. យើងអាចដូរយើងអាចបង្កើតទៅជាប្រយោគផ្សេងបានច្រើនដោយការរៀនបំបែកបែបនេះ Okay. ឥឡូវយើងស្ដាប់មើលគេអានគំរូឲ្យបន្តិចមក
Page 204. I like to play soccer. Listen to the model.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play soccer. Do exercises 1 through 9. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play basketball. 2.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play tennis.
3.
What do you like to do in your free time? I like to watch TV.
4. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
5.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to exercise. 6. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to go jogging.
7.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to go swimming. 8. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to go rollerblading.
9. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to go dancing.
អូខេយើងព្យាយាមប្រើពាក្យហ្នឹងឲ្យបានច្រើនអញ្ចឹងជឿមិនទៅមុខទៀតទេហើយយើងបញ្ចប់ប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយកុំភ្លេចធ្វើ homework នៅក្នុង class work ផងជាការសរសេរប្រយោគអូខេ see you tomorrow